You know that feeling when you're cruising down an open road, the world stretching out before you, and there's a sense that anything is possible? That's exactly what the 2026 Thor Motor Coach Omni Trail was designed to deliver. Freedom, comfort, confidence, and capability all packed into a single Class A gas motorhome. Welcome back to NextGen Motorhomes. If you're passionate about RVs that blend everyday livability with adventure-ready performance, hit that subscribe button now, because this tour of the Omni Trail will show you how road travel can become lifestyle, not just transportation. From the very first mile, the Omni Trail feels purposeful. Built on a reliable Ford F53 chassis, this motorhome uses a robust 7.3-liter V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission capable of handling both long highway drives and twisty backroads alike. You'll feel confident climbing mountain grades or coasting down valley highways, and the suspension system absorbs most road imperfections to deliver a comfortable, composed ride for everyone on board. The exterior design combines elegant style with practicality for life on the road. A one-piece fiberglass front cap and streamlined profile help reduce wind resistance, while LED exterior lighting enhances visibility and curb appeal. The power patio awning with integrated LED lights instantly extends your outdoor living area, creating the perfect space for morning coffee or an evening under the stars. Large storage compartments frame the lower exterior, offering room for outdoor gear, camping equipment, and personal items without crowding your interior space. Stepping inside the Omni Trail feels like stepping into a well-appointed home, one that's ready for adventure. Oversized panoramic windows flood the living area with natural light, and the warm tones of residential-style flooring create an inviting atmosphere. The seating area is spacious and flexible, with plush sofas and comfortable dinette seating that invite conversation, relaxation, and connection. Whether you're unwinding after a long drive or gathering for meals and games, this space feels welcoming and functional. As you wander toward the heart of the coach, you'll find the kitchen, one of the most important areas for full-time travelers and weekend explorers alike. The Omni Trail's kitchen comes equipped with a 3-burner cooktop, convection microwave, and a full-size refrigerator, all designed to handle real-world cooking and meal prep. Ample countertop space makes it easy to prepare meals for your family, and deep cabinetry keeps dishes, cookware, and pantry items organized and secure while driving. A large stainless steel sink with a well-placed faucet makes cleanup quick and efficient. Cooking in this space feels intuitive, functional, and familiar, not cramped or makeshift like in smaller RVs. Across from the kitchen, the dining area doubles as a gathering spot and an extra sleeping space when needed. Whether you're planning your next destination or enjoying a camp dinner, this area feels connected to the rest of the living space without blocking sight lines or crowding the interior. When it's time to rest, the Omni Trail's sleeping arrangements deliver comfort and privacy. Most floor plans feature a rear master bedroom with a residential-style bed complete with quality mattress support and underbed storage for linens and personal items. Wardrobe closets and overhead cabinetry help organize clothing while leaving floor space open. Additional sleeping options, such as cab-over bunks and convertible sofas, make this motorhome versatile enough to accommodate family members, guests, or visiting friends without squeezing daily living space. The bathroom in the Omni Trail is intentionally designed to feel both spacious and functional. A residential-style shower with glass doors, vanity sink with storage beneath, and well-placed shelving make your daily routine feel familiar and handy. Plenty of lighting and thoughtful layout help keep everyday use simple, whether you're washing up before dinner or getting ready for bed after a long day exploring. Driving and handling a motorhome of this size can sometimes feel intimidating, but the Omni Trail's cockpit puts comfort and control at the forefront. Comfortable, adjustable driver and passenger seats provide great visibility and reduce fatigue during long drives. A modern touchscreen infotainment system supports navigation, Bluetooth audio, and smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring you stay connected, informed, and entertained wherever the road takes you. Backup cameras and exterior monitoring systems give you confidence when pulling into campgrounds, backing into tight spaces, or maneuvering around crowded rest stops. One of the most valuable aspects of the Omni Trail is how it supports real-world living on the road. HVAC systems with efficient air conditioning and heating keep the interior comfortable across seasons, while tankless water heaters offer continuous hot water for showers and kitchen use. Solar prep options and generator configurations give you the flexibility to stay off the grid for longer, making this coach ideal for boondocking and remote camping experiences. Freshwater, gray water, and black water tank sizes are built to accommodate extended stays without constant dumping and refilling, giving you more time to enjoy your surroundings. Storage in the Omni Trail is plentiful and cleverly integrated. Exterior pass-through storage compartments provide tons of room for bulky gear, camping essentials, and outdoor furniture. Inside, overhead cabinets, drawers, and closet space help keep everything in its place, from kitchen items to linens, clothing, and personal gear. You'll find that even after several days of travel, your living space remains organized and functional, a critical feature for extended trips or full-time RV living. Price and value are important considerations, and the 2026 Thor Motor Coach Omni Trail delivers in both. Starting in the range of $180,000 plus MSRP, it stands as a premium option in the Class A gas motorhome segment without edging into ultra-luxury price territory. For that investment, you get a coach that blends livability, driving comfort, versatile floor plans, and everyday convenience into a robust package. It's a motorhome built not just to get you from point A to point B, but to make the journey itself joyful and memorable. Whether you're planning your first extended RV adventure or upgrading to a more spacious coach for long-term travel, the Omni Trail gives you the flexibility to make memories along the way. Picture yourself cruising toward a national park, catching sunrise on a lakeside campground, or simply relaxing in your living area after a day of exploration. This motorhome makes each of those experiences not just possible, but comfortable and satisfying. The Omni Trail is a motorhome that's built for real people, real families, and real journeys. It offers the perfect blend of space, comfort, power, and everyday usability. It's as ready for long summer road trips as it is for winter escapes to warmer climates. If you've ever wanted a motorhome that feels personally tailored to your lifestyle, where every detail supports your comfort and convenience, this is it. Before you go, make sure to like this video if you enjoyed this tour, subscribe to NextGen Motorhomes for more in-depth walkthroughs, and leave a comment below telling us where you would take your Omni Trail on its first adventure. The open road is waiting, and your next great story begins now.